guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I've uploaded, but I thought this would be a really cool video to come back with. So Halloween is on Thursday. Personally, we don't really go all out for Halloween. It's not like any of our friends have like elaborate Halloween parties or anything like that, so we don't really dress up. But I love watching Halloween tutorials on YouTube. Like, there are just people that I love watching that does like great Halloween tutorials. So yesterday my sister was doing my makeup, just playing around, and it came to me like it would be a really cool video and fun for me to try to recreate like someone's Halloween look that they posted that's like super popular on YouTube. So I love Guerriero. I have literally been watching her from the beginning. I started watching YouTube in high school. I literally learned how to do makeup from watching YouTube videos, and now I have been doing hair and makeup in the wedding industry for 9 years. And a lot of that is because of YouTube. So Nicole is just one of those people that I love watching. Her Halloween tutorials are always so good, and I wish I had come up with this concept like 2 weeks ago so I could have filmed more of these videos, because I think they're really fun. And I could film these after Halloween too, I guess, but I'm going to get this video up before Halloween because I think it'll be fun. So the one that I'm gonna do is the two-faced skull that she posted from this year. It's like a purple skull on half the face and just like really glam makeup on the other side. And I'm literally going to play this video in this video while trying to follow along to what she's doing. I'm gonna be 100% honest, I have never ever tried to do Halloween makeup on myself. A lot of that is just because I don't have a reason to, because we don't go anywhere for Halloween. And usually around this time of year I'm always like, oh, I should start doing YouTube again. Like, I love doing it. It's like a good hobby. It gives me something to do, and I like connecting with you guys. And then I'm always just like, let me wait till after Halloween because I don't know if I could do a Halloween tutorial. Well, we're about to find out. So I went to Michael's and got some supplies. I got some water activated face paints. I have a Makeup Forever flash palette, so I plan on using this too. I got a couple little detail makeup brushes. Also, I did not realize how much face paint costs. Like, holy cow. It's expensive. The big pack that I was looking at was like $75, and I was like, oh, heck no. So I just got this little kit right here. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and start watching this video. I like love the intro to her Halloween tutorials too. They're like just so good. Another thing, I don't have the contacts she's wearing in this, so I will not be having that part, but.
So I thought I would do a two-faced skull look. Before I ever started making videos, this was actually one of the first Halloween looks I ever tried. So I was like, you know what? Let's see if I've leveled up. So I'm just going to sketch out on my face first with a white pencil or some white cream, whatever you have that is easy to wipe.
I'm already like messing up so bad. Okay. This is a MAC white. Pencil. She like even did her lip. And then, oh man, the side. Man, this is hard. Okay.
Two-faced skull look.
It's like
Before
so fast.
Before I ever started making videos, this was actually one of the first Halloween looks I ever tried. So I was like, you know what? Let's see if I've...
Okay, can I just say how... She just so easily just drew on her face, and I'm like struggling. Oh boy, okay. She like started at her temple, and then I'm literally breathing so hard. This is not good. Okay. Okay, first of all, this took me 10 years just to sketch something, and she just did it out of her, like, what? I'm like sitting here staring, trying so hard to get the same shape. Oh man, this is already really hard. Okay, on to gluing my eyebrow. Aw. And now she's changing it. Oh no, okay. Slow down, girl. My girl, slow down. Okay, so she ended up, it looks like going in with the face paint. So I'm gonna take, I've never used face paint. I'm concerned how this is gonna work. Okay, so it's like sharp. Oh, okay. This is already going well. Okay, so next she powdered her eyebrow. I've literally never done this before either, so I'm just trying to keep up here. Now what, girl? Now what? Wait, what brush did you use though? Oh, that was too far. Going in with black. I guess I'm gonna use the cream. Just, again, what she used.
My circle on my
Okay, and next she set this with a black shadow. So that is what I'm doing because I used a cream like she did. See what she does next.
Be my base color for our skull. I don't think I've ever painted myself pink.
All right, pink. Here we go. To do the nose now. Oh, this seems so complicated. Painted everything pink. Now we're going on to teeth. And I'm real nervous about this.
So the second time I started with white teeth and I liked it a lot more. So how I'm doing my teeth is I'm just pushing the brush flat, like on its upside, and then I'm turning it sideways so that the brush is very thin to get that little point at the top of the tooth. Again, skull teeth are my weakness.
They're your weakness. I'm not gonna be able to do this. Okay. Okay, I did these teeth the best way that I could, and now she used a dark purple eyeshadow to go wherever there's not pink, so gonna do that. Okay, really trying here, guys, just trying. I'm about to do the other side of the face, like the glam side, so I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, this is where we're at right now. Just did the glam side. I'm waiting for my lashes to get tacky. So she did a like paint splatter, but I don't have one of the brushes like she has to do that with, so I'm trying to figure out what would work. Let me see. There we go. That worked. Okay. I added the glitter to the lid like she had. I just have extra fine glitter that I got from Michael's. Probably shouldn't be using that around my eye, but here we are. I'm going to add a little bit more. I don't think this turned out horrible, but it is definitely not Nicole Guerriero level. And then she did cracks, so she used this as well, just liquid eyeliner. So Okay, so here is the finished look. I even threw my hair up like hers. Definitely not as good as hers. Like, of course not. This is literally my first attempt at any kind of skull or anything like that, but I don't feel like it's horrible for a first attempt. And this side felt so fast and easy compared to this. Like, this took me forever. And I'm kind of sad that I'm just gonna go wash it off, but my sister FaceTimed me, and my my nephew was like, "Brooke, ooh, scary," and then started crying. So he is not a fan of this makeup, but I don't feel like it's horrible. And for the most part, I feel like I did an okay job. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle through this video. I'm going to try to make it shorter because I feel like it is so long, and so towards the end, that's why I kind of just went off camera to do some of it, because it was just getting so long. I mean, I've been filming for a while, so anyway, I'm going to go take some pictures and wash all this off. Trying to get a backdrop to take a picture. Laundry everywhere. A hot mess. That's a trash bag.
Told her she could have the nicest backdrop she wanted. She chose a trash bag.